Greaves PT-FX adapters are trusted by the best. Schneider Electric uses the PT-535FX500 to terminate Southwire MachineFlex and 535 DLO into PowerPacT T-breakers inside prefabricated data center modules. Eaton uses them to land DLO cable into their power defense breakers for high-load applications. These OEMs rely on PT-FX for clean, UL-compliant flex cable terminations. With a stranded Class B pin and simple installation, it's the go-to solution when flex cable is specified. When your project is on the line, go with what the OEMs use. Greaves PT-FX.